Hi guys! So today's video is going to be a get ready with me kasi birthday ng sister-in-law ko. Sister-in-law ko na nasa States. But, you know, kahit na nandito kami sa Pinas and nasa States siya, we still celebrate her birthday. So Ate Lucelle, if you're watching this video, happy birthday. It's November 6 today, and by the time I upload this video, tapos na birthday mo, but still, happy birthday. So, I'm taking you with me as I get ready, and what I'm going to do is very minimal makeup, and tinatamad ako maglinis ng brushes ko, so as much as possible, I'm not gonna use a brush for this makeup look. But yeah, I hope you still enjoy kahit minimal makeup look lang to na you can use for everyday or whatever you want to use it for. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. For minimal makeup look, you have to be sure that your base is like doon tayo babawi. And I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm still using yung VT Cosmetics, and this is the smoother. As in, kakatapos ko lang maligo. And you guys, sa mga skincare, don't just apply on your face. Pakidama yung leeg. Kasi mas mabilis tumanda yung leeg kesa sa mukha. I mean, yung wrinkles on your face, madadaya mo, pero sa leeg ay die. And also, sa kamay. Okay? So, kahit ito ng skincare pa yan, also put it on your hands and neck and massage upwards. I have a jade roller, pero tinatamad akong kunin. Nasa kabilang kwarto. So, I'm just gonna use my own knuckles to massage my face. Guys, you have to do this every now and then to prevent sagging. I mean, to delay. You won't be able to prevent the sagging, but like to delay the sagging of your skin. And at the same time, pag na-massage kasi yung face mo, you're gonna have like a natural looking glow. Kasi gigising yung dugo mo na nakatenga on your face. So, yeah. Next I'm going to do is kahit hapon na, gabi kasi yung parang mini celebration, maglalagay pa rin ako ng sunscreen. And you guys, sunblock and sunscreens are like one of the best parang brightener. Skincare na, brightener pa. So, kung gusto mo ng instant pang pa-bright, like instant, use a sunscreen. The products na alam kong may ganong effect, yung Bellow sunscreen parang hindi masyado. Pero, eto, yung sa VT Cosmetics, yung sa Althea Korea sunscreen, and yung sa Etude House. Yun yung mga nagamit ko na oh my god, I love so much. Etude House, yung Sun Price na sunscreen. Ayan o, di ba? Parang instant brightener ng skin mo. And you have like a sheen effect. Oh, and guys, don't forget your lips. Currently, I'm using itong Skin Potions Potion Balm. This is, I'm slowly falling in love with this one. You can use this on your lips. Ayan, ayun yung itsura niya. You can use it like any part of your body that's super dry, super chapped and whatnot. And last night, I used this on my face, and then pagkagising ko sa umaga, I love the effect on my skin. Oh my god. Let me try this for a couple more days, or probably 2 weeks or so, and then I'll let you know. Pag ito kasama sa November favorites, alam niyo na. So, pag na-absorb na ng skin yung skincare natin, I'm gonna go ahead with the base. And for my base, I'm going to use yung Eye White BB Holic Everyday BB Cream. I am in the shade Light. Pero since I want like a Kim Kardashian glow, I'm going to use it sa Pond's. I love this, you guys. I love this as a primer. I love this on its own. Itong Insta Bright Glow Up Cream. Gagamitin ko yung Golden Sunshine, which is perfect. Perfect para sa mga morena, you guys. I'm going to use that to balance out yung BB cream. And since this is a BB cream, tatratuhin ko siya na parang, you know, moisturizer. Since I don't want to use any brush, light application lang to, guys. Now, I'm not gonna 100% cover my blemishes kasi kapag ka merong parang nagpipeak pa rin yung blemish mo, it sort of kinda gives the idea or the look na, oh, she's not wearing a makeup because I can see her blemish. And then I'm also not gonna cover my dark circles, you guys, kasi itong mga dark circles natin, pinagpuyatan natin yan, and you can use it as your asset. And you can use it as, like, you know, instant eyeshadow. Instant, like, ang tawag dito, pang define ng eyes mo. Pero syempre, kailangan magko-compensate yung base mo. I mean, yeah, you have dark circles, but then maganda yung parang base mo, maayos yung kilay mo, at nagsuklay ka. Alam mo yun? Doon lang magiging maganda yung itsura ng dark circles kapag everything, the rest is, you know, looking good. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use itong sa Maybelline. Done lining my eyebrows. Pero, I'm going to use this product right here. This is from Detail Makeover. Ito yung Make Brow Mascara. The contour, maganda talaga. Meron kayong mga stick contour, you guys. You know I love the Caroline one. But for today, I'm going to use itong sa Skin Potions. Ito yung Aladdin 2 Wishes 2-in-1 highlighter and contour stick. Ayan, i-sculpt nyo na ng ganyan with your fingers. And then, ito na rin yung gagamitin ko on my eyelids. So, I'm not gonna do like a harsh eye makeup. Everything is just parang, you know, brown lang. Oh, I'm using yung Vice X Anklets na eyeliner. This is one of the very good eyeliners, you guys. Long lasting, pigmented, and easy to use. O, diba? Nag-define yung eyes ko. And then, pahabain natin ng slight yung eyes ko by adding some here and extending the line here. And then blending it out. And then of course mascara. Today I'm going to use yung Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. Do you see the difference sa lashes ko? That's just one coat. Yeah, one coat, but like 20 strokes. For my blush and lips, dahil may kainan mamaya, gusto ko ng lip tint na pangmalakasan. There's so many options, you guys. So many options. Glam Up Tint, Althea Korea. Oh my god. Nawawala na ako nawawala sa isip ko yung iba. Pag pinapaisip ko yung sarili ko. But for today, ang tagal ko na ginagamit to. I'm going to use yung Happy Skin. Ayan. Kiss Proof Milky Lip and Cheek Tint. So, I'm going to put it here muna. So I don't want a very intimidating lips today. But I want to use my current favorite product, yung Vice X and Plutz lip gloss. Since dewy na yung, not really dewy, but you know, fresh na yung peg natin, edi ito na natin. I'm going to apply this just in the middle, where the light hits my lips. Tama yan. Ayun na, ganyan lang. Now, kahit minimal makeup lang tayo, of course, it has to be like long-lasting. So I'm going to use a makeup setting spray, and one of the most affordable that I have is from Hello Gorgeous. At eto ang makeup setting spray. Guys, there you go. So this is my minimal, no brush needed makeup, and well, minimal yung makeup, but you know, so many accessories, but that's okay. And say hi to my husband and my baby. Sinusunod na nila ako. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo kahit papano, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you would know pag meron akong in-upload na video. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Elise! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!